Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Hello! I hate my friend. That's why I introduced him into the custom mechanical keyboard scene where we judge how plastic sounds with plastic. And he fell in love with that, so we jumped onto the next best group buy. Yeah? Yeah. Where was I? Group buys. Yeah, so we jumped onto the group buy of the KBDFans 67 R3 it was, I think, and we bought the white version, and then we also bought a few other stuff, and now we're putting it together. Yeah, goodbye.
You wanna B-roll? Yeah? I got you.
It's B-roll time.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's realizing these real times.
Oh, and here's a sound test.